Who's that hot shot over there? Oh.
Hey, you guys guessed it. It was me. Alright guys, so this is her. I junked the AE86 because after I crashed it, I was sobbing and wailing. I went like this, to cry on it, and it actually fell off the jacks. So I was left with no car, so I got the insurance check of $2,000 and spent $1,500 on this, and I've been fixing it up ever since. As you guys can see up here, I have the Stop Car from Flooding mod. It's very useful because this car in the rain floods. So I modded it and it stopped doing that. And I also had to mod the O2 spacer mod, which takes out the catalytic converter cell. Great mod. So this car, good daily driver. That's what I was going for with this. And has lots of room. So with the remaining $700, I actually got these sweet SSR Mark IIRs to put on the Vibe over there, and I think it's gonna really finish off the daily bill.
Psych! Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
So here's the actual car sitting here, all torn apart, and we've got a couple things fixed. First, we got the bent wheels replaced. That was what absorbed most of the damage from the crash. We got these SSR Mark IIRs in possibly the rarest offset available. They're not in the best condition, and this one down here has some major curb rash, a little bit of a bent lip, but we'll get that fixed eventually. If you guys don't mind, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really will support my channel. Hopefully more likes and more subscribers I get means more money to fix the car. Right now I'm making 40 cents a day. So obviously not really enough to do anything to it, but maybe in the future it will be. And also make sure to join my Discord. It's in the description, and we play games and talk about cars, which is like the coolest thing to do. So make sure to join that. But this is a 15 by 7.5 -5 offset wheel, which is crazy. I've never had a lip like this before. I'm gonna eat some tacos off here, and before I actually bought those, I bought some more SSR Mark IIRs because I was thinking I was only gonna get a pair at the beginning and just run 2 separate wheels. Then I saw this really good deal for a full set in the rarest offset come up, so I had to take it, and now I have a total of 6. These ones over here are brand new. Like literally, I don't know how these are in such good condition, but they are just so nice. Plus the offset isn't that bad. I think it is plus 13 only, and instead of 7.5, these are 7s. I was thinking of running the negative offset in the rear and then positive offset in the front, just because these are so nice and it would be nice to take some pictures with these. The coilover I sent out 2 weeks ago, and it actually got lost in the USPS, so it's been a week and a half undelivered, and that sucks because it says it's still in Austin. So I paid 2-day priority shipping, and it's more like 2 weeks take your time shipping. For the front bumper, I had 1 extra light right over here, and this was actually for the other side, but I took it apart and made it work for this side. So now we got a full light there, and I'm gonna be running this bumper as is with all the scratches for just a little bit until I get more money, but not too bad there. I'm still worried about how much the frame shop is gonna charge me to fix this little bent up. What happened was, since the coilover took most of the damage, it pushed up right here on the strut tower, and not that major, but I'm still gonna get it fixed. But we're gonna test fit these on right now, see how they look. And cool thing about this is they came with tires. So I got some Toyo Proxy T1Rs, and they're directional tires. So that means even better traction, so another crash doesn't occur, because that's my main goal. down below how you guys like the wheels. And yeah, I think they look really, really good. Love the deep dish. I've never had a deep dish. And also this is my first two-piece wheel, which I'm super excited about. Kind of cool, I can change out the face if I wanted to. Kind of cool, I can change out the barrel. The barrels are rare though, so I don't think I'll be changing those out, but I think it's really cool that I can take my wheel apart now. If any of you guys know where to get the center caps for these wheels, please let me know. I do not like seeing this old brass bulge here in the middle of my wheel. I'd so much rather have an SSR center cap. So is the rear. I don't know where to find them. So another thing that I hated about this bumper, not really hated, but just didn't like, was this little strip right here, this weather trimming thing. This was only available in the Kooky models, and since I have a Zenki, I don't have it on my fender, so it kind of looked off. But now that we're gonna get this whole thing redone and in a couple months fixed up, color matched and everything like that, I can finally take this off, and the body guy can just plug in these holes. If any of you guys want it, I'll just ship it to you, so just let me know. I don't need it. Yeah, so there we go. Now we can fill in these holes, and we have a perfect Kooky bumper that can fit on a Zenki. So hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe if you are new. Oh, never mind, we're stopping this. I tried to be a pro by doing an outro and pouring oil. It didn't work. It didn't really work at all. So hope you guys do enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you do like the wheels. Make sure to join my Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next one when I get more parts. Peace out. Hey, babe. Yeah.